Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will tell you that how you can check if your iPhone is original without opening the box, or if you are using your phone, is it original or any problem with it. So what you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to your settings you need to go to your general, and under the general you need to go to the about section. You see that there is a serial number and model number of your phone. Just copy the model number, a serial number, and you need to go to the Safari browser here, and you need to find the search on Google Apple verification check, just like this. And it's an official website of an Apple. Just tap on it, and from here you see that it will ask you to enter a device serial number. We will just paste the serial number which we have copied and submit. It will take a while to show your phone, and it has detected that it's an iPhone 16 Pro Max, purchase date and serial number code. The warranty and the coverage includes hardware services and charging support. So that's how you can check if your phone is original and authorized from an Apple service center. I hope this video is helpful. This is an official website, and I hope this covers the topic which you are searching. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.